and we're doing the recycling stand. Yeah, we have this little game that's right behind us. You got to dig through this purple box to find
10 items that can't be recycled.
And what are you going to do with the 10 items that can't be recycled?
but some of them we can reuse for different things, some of them we can't. Like we put a leaf in there, we can't reuse that, quite obviously.
Sorry, you've got a leaf, did you say?
Yeah, we've got a lettuce leaf in there that we can't reuse, but that will happily go into compost.
And then we've got some pencils and books.
We've got a plastic straw that can't be reused.
But you can repurpose them.
Yep.
Well done. Okay, and what type of recycling do you have at the school?
Right now we have paper and cardboard recycling, we have compost, and we have just a normal rubbish bin.
I would now like to ask S3A and the paper recycling team, Rhiannon, Destiny and Alicia, to come and present their project.
S3A have been on paper recycling duty this term. We're the ones who collect your grey paper recycling tubs, empty them, then return them to you. Did you know we need 2 trolleys, sometimes 3, just to carry the office's weekly recycling to the bin? And by the way, teachers, think twice before you chuck it. We see everything.
Paper and cardboard only, please. Did you know that some centres won't even recycle pizza boxes because they're solid with food scraps and grease? Break down your boxes, then we can fit more into them. It costs the school money to empty it. Did you know that the bin is full after just 2 weeks of recycling? Try to reuse before recycling. That way you are giving the paper and cardboard a second chance at life. Did you know paper can be only recycled 7 times and they still have to add new wood fibers, dye, and lots of water to make new paper?
We've seen just about everything trying to sneak into the paper and cardboard recycling bin. Did you know you can ruin an entire bin worth of recycling by throwing out the wrong things? It's become our hobby to salvage everything. We're treasure hunters. Remember, if it's been laminated, it's now plastic. If it's organic material, such as food or fruit, you need to compost it instead. If it's food packaging, it goes in the bin. Oh, and by the way, water bottles and cans go in the aqua-colored tubs. We get 10 cents for every one of those. So remember everyone, reduce, reuse, and recycle.